Hey, what's up, Holochain holders? So, what's going on? What's the next of Holochain? Upcoming days, they fails down more or they going up? Exactly, this is very good question for every holder. So, thank you so much, my brother, who trust me and who tell me, who ask me this question to please explain to Holochain what's next going up. My friend, they've gone up or they fails down. So, everyone, please be focused on this video. I totally explain Holochain. Do they go up in upcoming days or they fails down? I have 3 year experience therefore I want to share it and you, my friend. So let's get started. Prediction of first of all of Holochain, my friend. The Holochain prediction is very important, and I already opened the chart of 7 days, my friend. So you can see here this time the chain occur minus 32.84% going up, going fails down, my friend. So this is very bad percentage. You can see here, but this time the price is 0.02 US dollar. I hope they can hit it 1 US dollar just in a few days. Exactly, if they're going up, they're starting moving up, my friend. If you can see here, if I draw a 2 line, my friend, then absolutely I show you to they going up or they fell down, my friend. This time if you can see here, I already draw a 2 line, and you can see here they are moving in the circulation. After fails they take a jump, and after jump they fails down again, my friend. So in this circulation they gone down, but they are completely fails down, my friend. No here, no take a jump a high, my friend. No high jump, no high jump, only they cross the first line, not cross of only touch, my friend. So you can see here, if they go like this, and absolutely they are fails down. So please research personally. Also I just I advise you, my friend. Otherwise, if you want to invest in Holochain, absolutely research personally, this is good for you. But my friend, I tell you, in upcoming days they very badly fails down 1 or 2 days, because they go on day by day very slowly fails down, but they fails down, my friend. So what's my opinion, my friends? Please hold it, don't sell it. I hope the good time is coming soon. This is a new crypto coin. I love and everybody know this. To the good time is coming soon, and they very fastest growth of the crypto coin. So please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos.